Hi everybody, my name is Bruce Rain and I trade with moving averages.
No, God!
Yeah, I know.
No,
I get it.
please, no!
It's not been easy to accept this. I'm a smart money concept trader who uses a blend of the two. Smart money concepts, we try to trade in a way that beats the banks, right? The institutions. That's what we're going against. But at the same time, there are big time traders who still use moving averages.
Tell us the truth!
Hey, I get it. But I'm here to tell you, if it works for you, what does it matter what we use, as long as we get to the same goal, right? And that's what this channel is. It's about getting back to the basics and understanding that you're not going to trade exactly the same way as these other guys trade. There's nothing wrong with that. In fact, I think it's better that we all have our own approach to this thing. The way you go after it could be completely different from me. Why? Because our backgrounds and perspectives are going to be different. I feel better now about my technique, about how I'm using it to get ahead, and I'm here to show you for free. I'd rather be who I am. Makes the most sense to me, so I'm going to trade that way. It might not be popular. It might not be what you expect from a smart money concept trader or whatever I am. I guess I'm like a hybrid, like a day walker. Well, you don't need this, you don't need that. No, you don't need that, and you don't need this. Why are you concerned about what I'm doing? And I think more people need to be like that. I realize it's not going to be popular opinion, right? But who cares? Like, who cares about other people's opinions on how you trade? Does it work for you? And if the answer is yes, then opinions don't matter. Because guess what? They don't pay the bills, nor do they keep the lights on. I think back to Stephen Bigelow, and he got a lot of flack, and I don't know why. The dude was an amazing trader. He was old school. He makes these jokes that would probably get him canceled. This dude kept it so simple, man. He didn't make it complicated. And the main key here to all this stuff is to keep it simple, man. Keep trading simple. I am now an advocate of keeping trading simple, because the more you try to complicate this stuff, the less profit you will see. You don't need to try to have a master's degree in trading to be profitable. Just be you. Trade the way that you feel most comfortable. If it's simple, if it's trend lines, if whatever, as long as it works for you, be happy and glad in that. Okay? We got to go back to the basics, to the foundation. My name is Bruce Rain, and this thing that we're in right now is called Traders Ambition. But together, we're going to make the impossible possible. Thank you. Peace. Let's get it.